In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what a pillar page is and why pillar pages are important to your company and your marketing success. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell for those instant notifications. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Today's topic is pillar pages, also called skyscraper pages. Now, what is it? Well, that's a great question and a great place to get started. The word pillar probably brings up an image of a giant marble column, and a pillar page is kind of like that. It's the pillar page that holds up your SEO or search engine optimization efforts today. A pillar page is the structure, the main page on which a topic cluster is built. A pillar page covers all aspects of the specific topic on a single page, with room for more in-depth content and reporting in more detailed subtopics, aka blog posts and other pages that hyperlink back to that strong pillar page. It's like a beacon of light for information on the things or main topic that you're an expert on. A bright, shining light, like a giant skyscraper. So, why is it important for your company? Well, here's the thing. You and I both know how quickly the digital rules change. Consumers push the boundaries all the time. So, we're trying to stay caught up. One example of this is how businesses get found in search results on sites like Google, Bing, and even, yes, Yahoo. Yahoo! Blogs still help fuel this, but it's changed a bit in the last couple years. The way most blogs are built, creators have worked to create individual blog posts that rank for specific keywords. The results of this strategy is usually a pile of disorganized content. You see, this means it's hard for the user to find the exact information they need. It also results in your own URLs competing against one another in search engine rankings when you produce multiple blog posts about similar topics. Now, in order to rank in search and best answer the new types of queries searchers are submitting, the solution is to use the pillar page and topic cluster model. You choose the broad topic you want to rank for, then create content based on specific keywords related to that topic that are all linked to each other to create broader search engine authority. And what happens? Well, you end up with specific topics surrounded by blog posts related to the topic, connected to other URLs in the cluster via hyperlinks, and that's where pillar pages come into play. You'll create a pillar page for the main topic, then create secondary pages and blog post articles that link back to the deep content of that pillar page. So you might be wondering, how can you use it for your marketing? Well, since you stuck around, let's go ahead and answer that question for you right now. If you're convinced on why pillar pages or skyscraper pages are important, it's time to see how to use them. So let's go over a few ideas. Idea number one, build a pillar page for the main service or product you want people to find you for. In other words, your specific niche. Maybe you have a few services you offer. Start with your signature move. Then build a pillar page that answers what is, and then insert your service or product there. From here, plan about 10 articles that offer you the opportunity to mention this specific offering in the content so you can link back to it. When planning these articles, think about the things people will search for that connect to the service. It's important here to keep the buyer's journey in mind. Create articles, videos, and offers that meet the buyers in the awareness, consideration, and decision phases of their journey. For example, maybe you're a pizza joint that makes the best Chicago-style deep dish pizza in Kansas. Maybe you even have an article on how to make Chicago-style pizza. In this case, your pillar page might simply be Chicago-style pizza. From there, you could create articles that compare deep dish to thin crust to hand toss, or talk about the best Chicago-style pizza and even the cost of creating or purchasing a Chicago-style pizza in Kansas. Finally, how about an article on where each pizza style originated from? Look at you, you're a regular Chicago-style pizza savant. And I'm officially hungry for some pizza. Okay, a second way you can use pillar pages turn an ebook into a pillar page. You see, pillar pages are longer, more in-depth, and full of more information than a typical blog article. If a normal article is around 800 to 1,000 words, a pillar page may be a couple thousand words. That sounds like an ebook or a white paper, doesn't it? So turn your ebooks into pillar pages that you can link to from other pages on your site. Include multiple videos to get people to stay on page longer, and include more images. Build a page worthy of bookmarking so people come back, share, and even link to it themselves. Third tip for pillar pages, link out to other resources not in your organization. You already know that links help SEO, but have you thought about what linking out to great content does for your user experience? Create a great hub of information on a pillar page that people return to, and you'll give Google signals that your content is useful and worthy of higher ranking. Now that you know what a pillar page is and why pillar pages are important, make sure you're implementing it for your company's success. Hey, did you like this video? Want to get more actionable sales, marketing, and service tutorials, updates, interviews, and more? Ready to be part of the fastest growing community of HubSpot users on the planet? Then head over to SprocketTalk.com, pick the package that's right for you, and keep on learning. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell as well for those instant notifications. And last but certainly not least, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human, and along the way, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.